Aerodynamic simulations are performed to study how air flows around the vehicle, helping engineers reduce drag and increase stability at high speeds. These materials arrive from specialized suppliers around the world and are transported to the factory using heavy cargo trucks. Every Lamborghini begins its journey long before assembly. The process starts with the delivery of high-quality raw materials to the factory. Once the trucks arrive, they move to the unloading docks where workers prepare to carefully remove the materials. Using forklifts and lifting equipment, workers unload containers filled with carbon fiber materials, metal components, and precision parts.
Watch the load! Clear the area! Set it down easy.
This carbon fiber batch meets the thickness spec. Scanning now.
Good. This bracket's dimensions are within tolerance, all green. Excellent. Log it and move to the next.
The process starts with concept sketches. Designers carefully shape the car's aggressive lines, focusing on aerodynamics, style, and performance. Every Lamborghini begins its journey inside an advanced design studio, where engineers and designers work together to create the next generation of supercars. Once the concept is approved, engineers convert the sketches into detailed 3D digital models using advanced computer-aided design software.
Let's verify the performance data against our targets.
Agreed, the power output and acceleration are optimal.
Now, check the structural analysis for safety.
Tensile strength is above the required threshold. The next stage of production begins with carbon fiber, one of the most important materials used in modern Lamborghini supercars. Specialized machines cut the carbon fiber sheets into precise shapes that will later form the structural parts of the vehicle. Multiple layers of carbon fiber are carefully arranged inside molds to create an incredibly strong yet lightweight structure. The heart of every Lamborghini is its powerful engine, built with precision engineering and advanced manufacturing technology. The process begins with the preparation of the engine block, the central structure that holds all major engine components together. Technicians install the crankshaft, a critical component responsible for converting piston movement into rotational power. Aligning the first piston now. Looks good. Setting the rod bearing. Next, pistons and connecting rods are installed inside the cylinders, forming the core system that generates the engine's immense power. Heads are aligned. Let's torque the bolts. Starting at 50 Newton meters. Good. Move to the next bank.
Scan complete. Part registered.
Confirmed. Next batch ready. Once approved, the materials are stored and prepared for the next stage of production, where the supercar manufacturing process truly begins. Before installation, each engine is tested on a dynamometer to ensure it delivers the power, reliability. After passing strict performance tests, the finished engine is ready to move to the next stage of production. Once the chassis and engine are ready, the next step is manufacturing the exterior body panels that give the Lamborghini its iconic shape. Starting the alignment check. Composite is prepped. Large aluminum sheets are precisely cut into shapes that will later form the outer body panels of the supercar. Robotic systems further refine the panels, ensuring each part meets extremely precise engineering specifications. Robotic systems further refine the panels, ensuring each part meets extremely precise engineering specifications. Before the painting process begins, the body surfaces are carefully smoothed and prepared to achieve a flawless finish.
This area needs extra passes or I'll handle the final polish.
Technicians then refine the chassis by trimming excess material and polishing the surface to achieve perfect precision. Powerful hydraulic presses then mold these sheets into complex aerodynamic shapes designed for both beauty and performance. Once formed, the body panels are carefully assembled onto the vehicle's structural frame. After the body structure is completed, the vehicle moves into the painting department, where its iconic color will finally be applied. Engineers then align the panels with millimeter precision to ensure perfect symmetry and aerodynamic efficiency. With the body structure completed, the vehicle is now ready to enter the painting department. The first step involves installing sound insulation materials that reduce noise and improve the driving comfort. Pressing firmly to secure it? Good. Now the walls. Next, complex wiring systems are installed to connect the vehicle's electronics, sensors, and digital systems. The dashboard is then installed, housing the vehicle's digital displays, controls, and advanced driving technology. The steering wheel is mounted next, giving the driver complete control over the car's powerful performance.
Aligning the console now. Looks good. Securing the clips. Power connector is in. Console is fully installed. Confirmed. Ready for systems check. Aligning the seat with the chassis mounts. Confirmed. Bolting it down now. Installation complete. Seat is secure.
The interior door panels are then installed, combining lightweight materials with premium finishes. A special resin is infused into the carbon fiber layers, bonding them together to create a rigid composite structure.
Console alignment and stitching are perfect. Dashboard gap is within tolerance, 0.3 millimeters.
In the final assembly stage, the powerful engine is carefully installed into the vehicle's chassis. Next, the suspension system is installed, ensuring stability, control, and comfort during high-speed driving.
Aligning the high-performance brake disc onto the Supercar wheel hub. Disc is seated, torque wrench ready. Mounting the caliper. Applying final torque.
Finally, the carbon fiber chassis undergoes detailed inspections to ensure it meets the strict safety and performance standards required for a Lamborghini.
Alignment is perfect, no deviations.
The molded structure is then placed inside a high-pressure autoclave where heat and pressure harden the carbon fiber into an extremely durable chassis. A special primer coating is applied to protect the body and create a perfect surface for the paint layers. Before painting begins, the body is thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, oil, and microscopic particles that could affect the final finish. Next, the first layer of color is carefully sprayed onto the vehicle using precision robotic systems. Several layers of paint are applied to achieve Lamborghini's signature deep color and high-gloss finish. Next, the windshield and windows are carefully fitted to complete the vehicle's outer structure. Once the paint is cured, skilled technicians polish the surface to create the flawless shine expected from a Lamborghini. After painting, the vehicle is placed inside a controlled drying chamber where heat helps cure the paint and strengthen the finish. Before leaving the factory, every Lamborghini undergoes a detailed visual inspection to ensure the exterior finish and body alignment meet the highest standards.
Panel alignment is perfect. Paint finish is flawless.
Advanced diagnostic systems are used to check the vehicle's electronic components, sensors, and onboard computer systems. Next, the vehicle is tested on a dynamometer where engineers measure engine power, torque, and overall performance. The braking system is then tested using specialized equipment to ensure maximum stopping performance. The suspension system is evaluated to confirm that the vehicle maintains stability and control under different driving conditions. Once all tests are successfully completed, the Lamborghini is ready to be delivered to its new owner. After passing factory tests, The car is taken to a test track where professional drivers evaluate its real-world performance.